God's plan is always for our good. An investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. Dream is not that you see in sleep. Dream is something that does not let you sleep. There is a message in the way a person treats you. Dear God, if I am wrong, correct me. If I am lost, guide me. And if I start to give up, keep me going. If you can't be a pencil to write someone's happiness, then try to be a nice eraser to remove their sadness. All the problems are stuck between mind and matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. People will never truly understand something until it happens to them. Understanding is deeper than knowledge. There are many people who know you, but very few who understands you. The most precious gift you can gift someone is that the gift of your time and attention. A child without education is like a bird without wings. Our life is shaped by our mind. We became what we think. Life is hard, but not impossible. One bad chapter doesn't define your whole story. If Allah delays something, there is a blessing in it. It takes grace to remain kind in cruel situations. The sin that you regret in your heart is better than the good deed that makes you feel proud. Never stop learning because life never stops you teaching. Trust is like a glass. Once broken, it will never be the same again. A clear rejection is always better than the fake promise.